Hello, dear students. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all. And before proceeding ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to get all our campus updates regularly and instantly. So yes, we are very pleased to announce that Amdocs has recently communicated that they are hiring 2020 batch freshers, and we are here to give you an insight about the same. So this is about the company. Amdocs, as you must be knowing, that it is a leading IT and software MNC. It was founded in Israel and it is currently headquartered in Chesterley Field, and it has support and development centers located worldwide. This company specializes in software and services for communications, media, and financial service providers and digital enterprises. In order to get more information about this company, please visit their website www.amdocs.com. Yes, so recently this flyer has been floated, which indicates that they are hiring 2020 batch freshers. And as you can see, all the details are mentioned here. We will quickly tell you the details going ahead. Yes, so 2020 batch BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and MCA are eligible for this current requirement. And as far as streams are concerned, computer science, IT, electronics and communication, and electronics and telecommunication, these branches of engineering are eligible for this 2020 batch recruitment. And as far as marks are concerned, the students are expected to have 60% throughout, with no gaps, breaks, or year down in between. As far as positions are concerned, they are hiring for role of development, testing, and support. And the locations for this requirement are Pune and Gurugram. Yes, very important thing. As far as the paper pattern of the online test is concerned, these are the details. The test is going to be of 120 minutes based on MCQs, and 50 MCQs rather, and one coding question. The MCQs, they are majorly on technical subjects topics like C, C++, SQL, and Linux, and then few are on verbal skills and logical skills. As you can see, most of the questions, they are on programming MCQs. And yes, of course, at the last there is one coding question on either C or C++, and this process is going to be virtual online. So in order to get more details and to directly attempt the test, visit this URL. It is bit.ly/profoundamdocs. In order to get more details and to appear for the test of Amdocs, please visit this URL bit.ly/profoundamdocs. It will redirect you to the test online test page of Amdocs. So thank you so much for viewing this video. We hope that you are finding our videos useful and helpful for you. So guys, as you know that even in the Amdocs recruitment test, many of the questions are on programming MCQs and coding also. So many companies, they are recruiting on the basis of technical skills, and hence technical skills carry a lot of weightage when it comes to freshers recruitment. And Profound EduTech, we are leading IT training company. We have very popular full stack developer courses of Java, .NET. Then we also have diplomas in software testing, Python, etc. And we also provide 100% guaranteed placement support. And these are the highlight of our courses. Yes, learn a wide range of programming technologies. In a single course, we provide you access to a wide range of multiple programming technologies, which will contribute to your all-round technical development. Quality training by experienced trainers. Yes, all the trainers that we have, they are highly qualified and experienced, and hence that's the reason we are able to provide quality trainings. Hands-on approach with real world projects. Yes, ultimately in the IT industry, your hands-on programming knowledge, programming skills matter the most, and we keep the same approach. And whatever you learn, you implement it on real world projects. Daily exclusive campus drives. Yes, as I mentioned, we are known for quality trainings. Along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement support as well. And we arrange daily exclusive campus drives for profound trained students. And of course, competitive course fees, all the fees that we have, they are very competitive and affordable for the freshers like you. So in order to get such more updates about jobs, trainings, campus drives, off-campus drives, workshop, etc., keep in touch with us. We are available on Facebook. On a Facebook page, we have 51,000 plus likes on Facebook page. Do like our Facebook page where we keep posting regular updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well because we keep posting many updates on our YouTube channel. We are also available on Telegram, and as far as our website is concerned, it is www.profoundedutech.com. So do visit our website, as you will find a lot of important, useful, and helpful things there. Also refer your friends, classmates, cousin to join Profound EduTech. So thank you so much for viewing this video and hope to see you soon once again.